bakit kami nasa point na gender awareness for some gender sensitivity? So yun siguro yung plano namin. Kasi yung research is still, it's an input to policy making, even program development. So while for some, it may just be the way with yung research, for some, sabi niyo nga, yung sa iba wala talaga silang appreciation sa research. And even sa experience namin, some administration will have strong interest in research and strong support for research. I'm talking about Dole, so within the Dole family. But some administration, this activity was because the Assistant Secretary conference at a meeting in New York. So it was an international conference, it was an international meeting, and she went there to report on what we are the latent interest in the development. And she also, and afterwards she saw I think we submitted the list of research priorities from agencies, members of the Interagency Committee on Research Matters, and she gave a comment that she thought in taking into consideration the gender aspect in our research work. That's why we have this realization that we must pursue this kind of activity for us to look into our research work, policy making, as part of policy making and program development, and what we can do to make our researches more gender responsive. So what I will be reporting on to introduce, I think for our colleagues from the government, maybe for some who are not familiar with what we are doing in the research field within the Dole family, and maybe to raise some concerns, not really to offer my framework because this has to be done at the Dole level. We are just part of the Dole family. We are in charge of the research and research support for the Dole family. Of course, we're just a component of policy making and program development in the family. So what maybe we just want to flag some concerns on what we can do about improving our work in this field. Just an introduction, members, and some of you I know they attend the regular quarterly meeting of the Interagency Committee on Research and Statistics Matters, and of course also for the benefit of our the Interagency Committee on Research Matters. This was created or at least reconstituted in 2014 with the issuance of administrative order that we should all be part of that committee, meaning all bureaus and attached agencies and offices. 5 bureaus, 7 or 6 attached agencies, and I think 11 bureaus, services 5, and 7 attached agencies. So around 20 members. And it is being led by the Assistant Secretary for Policy, so that's currently Assistant Secretary Asa Camila, Assistant Secretary Avila. And we are the Secretariat. We convene the quarterly meeting of that committee. And one of the functions is to be the platform where we can discuss and review and give inputs on research priorities and research projects to be submitted to the Secretary for his approval. So that was why in 2016, we held a workshop. I think it's a strategic planning workshop in November 2016, where the members do the research agenda. It's aligned with the new term period 2017-2022 because of the new leadership at that time, the commencement of the new leadership at that time. it to the body for their validation. But there was an interim validation also between